This is Ryan from ninjatransfers.com, and in this quick tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to order DTF transfers by size. So of course you wound up here by going to that DTF transfers drop-down menu at the top of the page, and transfers by size is definitely the easiest and therefore the most popular way to order with us. And of course, we managed to make it even easier with our newest custom sizing option. And I'll show you how we do that in just a second. So first, you end up here, you're gonna go ahead and drag and drop your file, or you can go ahead and browse to find it. Here I've got the beautiful Ninja Transfers logo right here. And you'll see we have notes for our designers that we can leave. So say if I had a background that I needed removed, or I wanted to change the color of the blue in the ninja suit, or even the color of these splatters right here, or maybe I wanted to add some text, we can leave a note there with specific instructions, and the art team will go ahead and do that for you. So with this here, with custom sizing, now you're able to enter your desired height and width. So with this, we're going to be keeping our proportions. So with that, say we're at 3.21 inches wide, we can go ahead and bump that up to, say, 10.21. Or of course, we can type that in as well. And here you'll see that that size impacts the price directly there. So you get live pricing as you kind of see what size you're looking for, or you can always choose one of our popular sizes. And that will, of course, as you click through, update with the pricing as well. But for this, I'm going to stick with the custom sizing. I'm going to go with something, we'll go 10.25 inches wide. That'll be a nice full front there. Of course, if you're doing something for something smaller, you can do a smaller size. And then I go ahead and enter my quantity. Select whether or not I want them pre-cut or left in a roll. And I can either add another transfer or proceed to checkout. So I'll hit this to add another transfer, and we'll repeat the process again. We'll go with a rectangular logo this time to kind of show you how this custom sizing works the best. So you'll see here, I'm not paying for any dead space. If I want it to be 11 inches wide, perfect 11 by 5 right there. I wouldn't have to be selecting in between sizes or anything like that. But of course, you're always able to pick a size here that it fits within, and we'll scale it to fit that without changing your proportions. Of course, then I'll go ahead, go back to the custom sizing for my 11 by 5. I want 25 of these, and I'll add those to my cart and proceed to checkout here. So now we've got our DTF transfers in our cart, and take a look here. So you take a look at the final price, $219.73. We're right at our 15 or 50 piece discount. So from there, if I make it one fewer transfer, it actually winds up being more expensive. So you see how those bulk quantity discounts really start to add up. And of course, you see I did that with different files, different sizes, different designs. Doesn't matter. You'll be all set. You'll get that full bulk discount. And of course, I need it quick, so I'm going to go ahead, jump the line, and I'm going to continue on with my order there and check out, enter all my information. Of course, if you have any questions at all, feel free to give us a call or hit us up in our live chat in the bottom left corner of the website. We'll always be happy to help.